You might see notifications pop up on your iPad, but here's how you can view them even after they've disappeared from your screen. Unlock your iPad and then swipe down from the top edge of your screen. If you swipe down from too low, it'll open up the search, so make sure you start your swipe from the very edge of your display. This opens up your notification center. This is a summary of all your recent notifications. And from here, you can either tap a notification to go to that particular app, or you can clear notifications by either tapping the X on the corner, or if you don't see an X, you can swipe left on any notification to clear it. One important note: when you're swiping down to open up the notification center, make sure to do it from the center of your display. Center or a little bit to the left both work fine. But if you swipe down from the top right part of your screen, that'll open your control center instead. If you end up looking at controls like these instead of your notifications, it means you swiped a little too far from the right side. Hope that helps. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more easy and quick guides like this. Thanks all. I'll see you next time.